think I love this dress. This is the next dress and oh my god, I love this. Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog. I feel like I haven't been on YouTube in so long. I missed my last 2 upload dates because I was out of the country. And yeah, I just finally got back. I went to Scandinavia for 14 days. I visited Norway, Denmark, and Sweden, and it was so beautiful. Norway literally reminded me of Switzerland. But anyways, I ate so bad when I was on vacation. I gained like 6 pounds. Granted, I didn't really weigh myself right before I left, but I knew I was around like the 113 mark, and I'm like 119 now, which isn't my heaviest. I always go between like 113 to 119, but the fact that I gained all that in 2 weeks is just insane. I'm not trying to lose weight, but I am trying to get back into a very like normal routine where I'm eating clean and I'm not going out to eat a ton. When I'm trying to get back into a normal routine, it's super helpful to find things that will help you reach your goals. So I'm using HelloFresh. They are a meal delivery service. They have fresh quality ingredients from the farm to your table in less than a week. They have a variety of meal options to choose from, so whether you're vegetarian, vegan, if you want a meat option. They also have portion sizes, so if you're a family of 4, a couple of 2, you can definitely customize to your liking. So I picked up this one and I'm so excited for this recipe. It's a 1-pot Italian garden soup, which is exactly what I need. I need something hearty, but something like light with few carbs. So they give you these little cards that come with all of your meals. It has all the pre-portioned ingredients, and then it has a list of the instructions by visuals. And this is super helpful if you're a visual learner. You can go step by step and make it. Here is the bag. I'm gonna just dump it out and see everything we got. So everything comes pre-portioned, so there's less food waste. All the ingredients are right in here. So I have kale that's pre-portioned out, bread, some cheese, an onion, Parmesan cheese, the crushed red peppers, the carrots, and then the couscous that goes in there. And yeah, they also give all the spices. So I'm gonna start prepping this, and then I'll show you guys when I'm done, and then we'll do a taste test.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep
Here
on
is
trying
the
to
final
do
product. This looks so good. It smells even better. I put in some cheese and red chili flakes just for like presentation, but I normally would skip that. But oh my god, it looks so good. So I'm gonna do a little taste test. We'll see how this is. It's so hot though. I know you're not supposed to blow on your food. That is so good. Wow, the tomato flavor. Oh, so good. It's exactly what I needed. It's a rainy day today. It's like dark and gloomy. Oh, this feels so good. If you guys want to try out HelloFresh, I will leave the link here. They're offering 16 free meals across 7 boxes and 3 free gifts with my code SimplyJaserah16. Go to HelloFresh.com to redeem this offer of 16 free meals across 7 boxes with 3 free gifts, and I'll have it here on the screen and link down below. Also, if you try any of HelloFresh's delicious and easy meals, let me know. Tag me, I want to see them. Next order of business is getting my room back in somewhat of a decent order. I still have my suitcase that's sitting out here. I need to unpack that, put things into laundry. I have packages that I need to unpack, and I just need to like tidy up my room a little bit. It is Friday, so I am kind of like working as well. So yeah, this is the current situation. So I took my laundry basket out, and we are going to unpack my suitcase. I am dreading this because there is so much stuff in here. Like it's spilling over. This is so embarrassing. Yeah, okay, I have so much junk in here. Half the things that I took I didn't even wear. Like I packed this blazer and I thought that would be so cute with like some wide leg pants, but I never wore it. I bought this sweatshirt when I was it in Sweden? Yeah, I got it from Sweden, Stockholm. and it's a cute little sweater from H&M. I'll put a picture here on the screen. I wore it in so many different ways. It actually was a very, very like staple, essential piece in my wardrobe while I was traveling. So I need to wash that. That was a good one. My sleeping shirt, another sleeping shirt, pajamas. I took like 500 different hijabs. Like I don't know why I took all of my nude chiffon hijabs. I didn't even wear one of them just because we were out all day and it was just like too windy to be wearing like chiffon. So I need to wash all of that. I don't know why. I took this cute little like fleece set from Forever 21. So this is the top and it comes with these pants and I thought it would be like a super cute like nighttime outfit. No, we were dead after a whole day of exploring. Like nobody went out at night. I also took this ASOS like cord set. Comes with pockets and it's like tapered at the bottom and then it comes with like a matching linen top. This was actually a super cute outfit. I did wear this one of the days and it was like casual, cute, comfy. So I need to take that to the cleaners. I wore this hijab to death. It's the Vela hijab in honey beige. I wore this and this black hijab pretty much the entire trip. So I need to wash this. What should I do? Okay, I'm gonna hand wash that. That's my I took this pink shirt, never even wore it. I'm gonna wash that. Pants to wash. Another hijab. What is this? Oh yeah, it's a H&M dress, and I did wear this, so I need to wash that as well. This is a portable like washing thing that I shared on my stories. If you're traveling for an extended period of time, you can get one of these, and all you do is like hook it up into your bathtub, and it's a turbine that spins, so like it'll like start circulating your water if you put detergent. This is super helpful if you're traveling. I'll link this down below for you guys. This one exactly wasn't like as powerful as I would have liked it, but again, it's so small. Like I don't think they're meant to be super powerful, but it's a good option to have. Also, if you follow me on Instagram, then you know about my whole luggage fiasco. We lost our luggage right when we got to Amsterdam. It didn't get on from our connecting flight from Amsterdam to our final destination, which was Copenhagen in Denmark. So the first 4 days of our trip, we basically didn't have any clothes. We went shopping every single day, and it was awful because I had to shop for like undergarments, for socks, for makeup, for toiletries, for like skincare. Like everything was gone. So you can imagine, like, it sounds fun, like, oh my god, you got to go shopping, but no, it was so stressful because I couldn't even like put together outfits like on the spot. When I was in the store, I was like, what do I buy? Like, I'm so confused. Also, the weather there was pretty much fall. It was 50s and 60s, so I wasn't like mentally prepared. I don't know, it was just so hard to shop. But yeah, so our luggage got lost and we finally got our luggage towards the end of the trip. I also got this really cute sweatshirt from Norway. I love sweatshirts like this, like things that have either brands on it or places. Like, it's just so fun to me. I love that so much, so I got that. Oh, last thing, I did get an air tag. This thing was so helpful. Although I didn't get my luggage back, I was able to track exactly where my luggage was at all times. So I traveled with a group of 5 people, and 3 of us had an air tag, and then 2 of them didn't. The people who didn't have an air tag were constantly like worried, like, where's my luggage? Did it even make it to Amsterdam? Is it still stuck in Houston? Like, where is it? And while we were able to track the entire time, like, okay, it's still in Amsterdam airport between belt 4 and 5, and we were able to send like representatives there, like reps there, and say like, hey, our luggage is right there, we're pinging it, it's making a noise, pick it up. So I will link this down below. Super helpful for traveling, especially international. Okay, I'm gonna quickly do laundry and then I'll catch back up with you guys. Okay, I'm done with my unpacking. I threw stuff in the laundry, and now I'm going to do a quick unboxing. I'm going to open this ASOS package with you guys because I know exactly what it is. I ordered a couple dresses to try on for Amanda's wedding. It's my first time going to an Arab wedding, which is kind of weird because I have a ton of like Arab friends, but I've never been to a wedding and I don't know how to dress. I don't know like if you go like casual or if you dress up, because in Daisy weddings we go all out. Like, we wear heavy embroidery outfits and with like a bunch of jewels and stuff, and I don't know if I show up that way, like if it looks like I'm doing too much or if I'm like trying to take attention away from the bride, or if that's normal. So I'm gonna try it on and show you guys, and I need y'all's opinions. Okay, this one I got off of Poshmark. It's brand new, came with the tags. I thought this was so stunning. I saw it online but I couldn't find it in stock anymore, and then I found it on Poshmark and I was like, okay, this is perfect. So I picked this up and I got it for a really good price. I feel like it's a size 2 though, so I don't know if I'm gonna fit in this, but look how gorgeous this is. All these beadings, and it's so stunning. I'm gonna have to figure something out because the top part is a little bit see-through, but the rest is lined. But this is the first dress. Let me know, is this too much? Let's see, this is option 2. I'm pretty sure this is the dress. I did order a couple more things before I left on vacation. I hope it's not that. Let's see. Oh, this is the stuff that I got on before I left on vacation. So this is not the dress. Let me go find the dress. I'm back and I have the other package. Also, I realized I think my tag was hanging out on the back side the whole time. So if you saw that, just ignore it. Okay, I'm so excited for this. I saw Razan, if you guys follow her on Instagram, wear this to her wedding. And I was like, wait, that is stunning. So let's hope it looks just as good. It is so pretty. Oh my god. I love the color. It's like it's sky blue. It's so pretty. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna try these two on and then you guys please let me know in the comments down below. Oh my god, I think I love this dress. It is so gorgeous on. Obviously ignore the black hijab and then like ignore this area because I am a little bloated from all the things I've been eating, but is this not gorgeous? It is stunning. Okay, let me know, is this like too much for a wedding? Is it not enough? Is it like perfect? My little sister said she doesn't really love the like details on here. She thinks it's just a little tacky, and I think I can agree. Like I see where you can see tacky, but I also see where you can see like elegant and pretty. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, I love this one. I'm gonna go try on the next one. This is the next dress, and oh my god, I love this like 10 times more than the last one. This one is just a little bit more elegant, a little bit more classy and sophisticated. I love the detail on this dress. It's really intricate. Don't mind like the top part. I have to find like a matching new top. The one I'm wearing is not proper, but look how beautiful the detail is on here. I feel like it's a lot more classy and more me. The color is a little bit darker than I would have liked. Like I wish it was like more of a nude or something. I don't usually wear gray, but I think this is so stunning. So let me know, are either one of these dresses appropriate for an Arab wedding? I don't know, please guys help me out. I think I'm gonna end my vlog here. I am working, like I said, so I'm gonna continue working. Also, I'm totally having a second bowl of that soup. I'm not even kidding. It is delicious. It's just so like hearty and yummy. Honestly, just like too good. So if you guys want to check out the code, I'll leave it here again on the screen and it will be linked down below. HelloFresh.com for 16 free meals and 3 gifts with code SimplyJaserah16. Link it down below. Next vlog will be my travel vlog, so be on the lookout for that. It's a really good one. And then I show you guys like my first class experience. I mentioned on my stories, I was like, do you guys want to see how it was in first class, business class, whatever, because it was my first time and a lot of you guys said yes. So look out for that and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.